Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. Today, in this video, I will show you how to download an older version of Windows 11 named 23H2. You can only download Windows 11 25H2, the latest update version, from the official Microsoft website. In the official Microsoft Download Center, you can see that the available version is Windows 11 version 25H2. If you need older versions, then check that in Internet Archive websites. Right now, here is the Archive website. From this website, you will get any older versions of Windows. Now I need Windows 11 23H2 version. Search it. Then choose your option. You will get both a direct ISO image and a torrent file of the ISO image. Click on any of the suitable options and it will start downloading. Wait to finish the download process. After completing, write it onto a DVD or create a bootable USB to install it. If you don't know how to create a USB bootable, then check our older video. Links are given in the description box. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.